Yes. Yep. Absolutely. Yeah. Anybody else? Yeah.
Do you have a method for writing songs?
That's a great question. I try not to listen to any other music when I'm writing. You know what I mean? I love to listen to all sorts of music. You know, but I usually take a break for about a month and not listen to anything and just kind of get my mindset into the groove of what I want to do. But simply, it's just a drum machine for me and just an old Tascam unit, and I just kind of go for it for a month straight. When I write, I tend to write really fast, you know, because I try to keep the flow going with that and just kind of keep on writing for a month straight, and then some magic happens, I guess, and you know, some time flies by and I have like 10 or 12 songs. So, but I do get writer's block a lot. So, in that situation, if anybody wants to know about that, I just simply put my guitar down and come back like 2 days later, because if you try hard on something, sometimes it just doesn't work, you know. Yes.
Which is your biggest influence in metal?
In metal?
Yeah.
Man. I'd have to say probably Iron Maiden, you know, from just like listening to their earlier stuff when I was just a kid. It just sounded so awesome, you know. Peace of Mind record.
Yeah.
So killer, you know. That really got me into it. And then, God, what else? There's so many, you know what I mean? My dad had a huge record collection, so I just didn't listen to just metal. I listened to a lot of different stuff. I think that's important, you know. You just don't want to stick to one thing, you know. It's better if you keep an open mind and listen to all sorts of different music, man. It's healthy.
I think when Dave Mustaine said that you were too young, I think he was frightened to think that the band had changed to Mega Jeff.
Excellent. Yeah, that's good, man. Yeah, well, that was a cool experience, you know. It was very, very awesome to be able to be a part of that, you know, just when I was, 16 years old. But, you know, he just told me to stick with it, and one day something good would happen. And, you know, 2005 we were on tour with them on Gigantour, so it's kind of cool.
You know that thing after MySpace, the Jeff Loomis at 16?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the clean part with the delay pedal, how do you play that chord?
Basically, it's just set to like a second tap, and then you just hit the note, and then it just repeats once. So, din, din, and then you just play whatever progression you want to play. Yeah. Yeah. Anybody else? Shy bunch, man.
Standard guitar, standard Schecter.
Standard, yeah, pretty much. This is just this is my guitar right here, man. Keep it simple. One volume knob, EMG 707s, maple neck. I think it's a brighter sounding thing with maple necks, so I don't know. Yeah.
Have you tried the blackouts?
I got a set of those, but I didn't. They're still sitting collecting dust. So yeah, EMG's where it's at for me, man.
Okay.
Yeah. So yes.
What's the worst band you ever heard?
The truth. The truth.
My dying bride.
Mind dying bride.
Vad är din
Vad sa du?
fråga?
Let me think about that one.
Det är bästa bandet det här.
Värsta?
Too many?
Where do we start?
Whatever you're saying now, it's going out on the internet.
I know, man. It's like I feel like
Facebook.
Yeah.
No, 7th Street, the dark.
The darkness.
Yeah, there you go. We were just listening to some of that on the ride here today.
No way.
Yeah.
No,
But there was this other band. What was it called?
His new band.
Yeah. Sorry, Wolf, I didn't like it at all. I was praying you would turn it off. What was it called again?
What's the name of his new band?
Yeah.
We don't know.
We don't know.
Just his new band.
Yeah. What is it?
I can't remember the
Nobody
name.
knows.
Nobody knows. See, that's why they suck so bad.
Thank you.
Yeah.